MiScreen, the portable digital screen maker. Screen prints anytime, anywhere.
Lightweight and eco-friendly.
No emulsion, no water, no positive films, no chemicals. In this video, we're going to show you 3 different styles in screen printing using the MiScreen. Step 1. Open any designing software like Adobe Photoshop and save your artwork as a JPEG file. Step 2. Open the RIP software for MiScreen and just click, drag and drop the JPEG file. Click Fit to Page, play with the slice level, set the width up to 200mm, attach USB plug from MiScreen to the laptop, and then click Send Image. Ready for screen making. Step 3. Use the double-sided adhesive tape onto the metal frame. Using the MiScreen Instruction manual, you may follow the directions illustrated to neatly attach the screen master onto the metal frame. And now you're ready! Step 4. Set the frame with the arrow mark showing up and insert the frame into the MiScreen machine while aligning on both sides. Step 5. Proceed to hold down to start screen making, and once finished, gently withdraw the frame out of the MiScreen machine. For starters, prepare the screen table and spray some adhesion for the fabric to stick and just even them out nicely. Place the frame on top of the table and align and tighten it on the center accordingly. Now, proceed to use the RISO AQUA ink from MiScreen itself. The RISO AQUA inks are actually water-based. Here, you'll see one-color water-based screen printing. Then, use the spatula to scoop and spread the ink on top of the screen. Now, use the SQUEEGEE and screen print. Foil screen printing. Moving towards foil screen printing, just follow the same procedure as shown in the previous clip. Insert frame accordingly, then place the ink on top of the screen. Proceed to screen print 4 times for bold results. And move to the heat press. Place the foil on top, then the protection paper, then hold and press for less than 10 seconds. Once done, use any cloth to cool down the foil. Now how bold and shiny is that? Emboss screen printing. Just follow the same procedures as the previous clips. In emboss screen printing, you may either use the hand dryer or tunnel dryer for the puffing to emboss out. For more information and more informative videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website mygraph.com.